I'm not angry,
I just need some peace. Some people think silence means you gave up. Sometimes it just means you're tired of fighting.
I'm not angry.
I just need some peace.
Another morning, another weight upon my chest. Everybody says I'm strong, but they never see the stress. Walking through a crowd while I'm feeling all alone, trying to build a future with a heart that's made of stone.
Too many voices telling me who I should be, too many expectations hanging over me. I kept saying I'm okay just to make them all believe, while every single night I struggle just to breathe.
I don't hate the world, I don't blame the past. I'm just learning every storm was never built to last. Every scar reminds me that I made it through the rain, even if tomorrow brings another kind of pain. If you hear my silence, don't mistake it for defeat. Sometimes healing starts when you finally choose peace. I'm not angry, I just need some peace.
A place where all these heavy thoughts
can finally be released. I'm not running, I'm just finding me.
one quiet step at a time.
That's where I wanna be.
I spent years trying hard to make everybody proud, smiling for the pictures while my heart cried out loud. Looking in the mirror, asking where I disappeared, fighting all the doubts that I've been carrying for years. Every closed door taught another lesson, every broken dream pointed in a new direction. Maybe every setback wasn't meant to make me fall, maybe it was teaching me I'm stronger after all. I don't need applause, I don't need the fame, I'd rather know myself than chase another name. If tomorrow comes with another uphill climb, I'll keep moving forward one moment at a time.
Peace isn't perfect, peace doesn't erase the pain. It simply gives you enough strength to stand up again.
So if you're listening and you're barely holding on,
just remember, the darkest nights don't last forever.
no. Now I'm writing every chapter with a steadier hand, learning that I don't have to make them understand. Some days I'm smiling, some days I break, but every single sunrise gives another chance to take. I'm not who I was and that's okay. Growth is never easy, it takes time every day. The road is getting clearer every step I choose, because the only real battle is the one I refuse to lose.
I found a little hope hidden underneath the pain. I found a little light shining through the rain. Maybe that's enough to help me carry on. Maybe peace was waiting here all along. I'm not angry, I just need some peace.
A heart that isn't fighting,
Every memory
I'm still standing.